Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. This is Nilofer from Me with a Pencil. Today we are going to be painting bookmarks, a very basic, simple and fun thing to do. So when I started, and this was one of the first things that I painted after a lot of basics and a lot of practice. This was something first thing I did. First I'm going to be using a flat brush. Any flat brush is good. This I'll be using for my wash, below background wash. I've taped my A5 paper to my table and added another masking tape in the center so that I can make two different bookmarks on the same. Right? Then after we are done, we are going to cut it in half and we can use it however we like. So let's begin. I've been using some of the techniques that I've spoken about in my previous videos. You can go and check them out. I've linked them on the top right corner or also in caption below. So let's begin, and you can follow the step by step. So let's get started. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. You can see I've used basic colors to blend. I've thought about blending in the previous video, how to blend, and yes, so I've used very basic colors and then made simple silhouettes to create these bookmarks, collections of bookmarks. Please do subscribe to our channel. We post new content every week, every Friday on calligraphy and watercolors. So I hope to see you guys in next week's video too. Yes, that's about it, and thank you, and hope you guys enjoyed the whole thing. Oops. So when you are removing your masking tape, please be careful. Remove it very slowly, or if it will tear off. Usually if you remove it slowly, it doesn't tear. My tore off. So yes, that's about it. I've used a flat brush, a thin brush, and a mop brush to help me spread some colors. And this is your bookmark is ready. Thank you guys, and see you next week. Bye bye.